Text styles allow you to save your favourite text settings as a resource. The easiest way to create a new text style is to click New Resource in the Resource Manager and then select Text Style from the list. I'm going to create two new styles, one for callouts and one for dimensions. Start by giving your new style a name, and then select the font that you want to use from the list. Select the size, spacing, style, alignment and colour, and when you're happy with your choices, click OK. My second style is for dimensions, and I like to use a red text for mine so that they stand out on construction drawings. Once you've created your new styles, you can apply them to different text objects. To apply a style to existing text, drag the style from the Resource Manager, and when your mouse cursor is over the object, let go and the font will change. Alternatively, you can apply the text to your callouts via the Callout Tool Preferences. Select the Callout tool and then click on the Tool Preferences icon. From here you can select Format Text and pick your new callout style from the drop-down menu. Click OK and OK a second time, and now any new callouts that you create will have your text style applied to them. To apply a text style to dimensions, right-click on the Dimensions class in the navigation palette and select Edit. I like to use a red line with mine along with the red text, so I've changed the pen, selected the style that I created, and don't forget to tick Use at Creation both for the graphic attributes and for the text style to make sure all new dimensions that you create have these settings applied. Click OK, and then you can see that the dimensions that I create have got those settings applied. If you want to make best use of text styles, create them in your template document, apply to callouts and dimensions, and then save the template. Each time you open a new project document using your template, the styles will be there and ready to use. I hope you found this helpful. If you've got any questions, please do get in touch, and if you'd like to follow for more tips, please hit the subscribe button.